If we may move to this disclosure made by DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla about 500 million being returned in unused intelligence funds which were inserted in the GAA. But should the NAPOLCOM be investigating how this came about? Also, he mentioned an additional 1 billion amphibious funds, vehicles funds. Well, anyway, that were also inserted. And the request, these vehicles were for Region 5, which made him suspect former Congressman Saldico. Now, how these were made, kasi po, kaya ko tinatanong, yung modus kasi merong kasabwat eh. So, is the NAPOLCOM taking this into consideration, and should the NAPOLCOM be investigating, or you may already be investigating?
Siguro po, let me answer you this way. Okay. Nagsalita na po ang Secretary of Interior and Local Government na si Secretary Remulla. Very clear po that he did not accept the additional 500 million pesos allegedly placed in the budget of the Philippine National Police. Okay. And sufficiente po yun. Because sinoli naman po. And yung pong allegedly 1 billion amphibious funds, I don't know what that precisely is.
Purchase of amphibious vehicles.
Sa totoo lang po, Ma'am Ses, ngayon ko lang ko narinig yan. But the essence of it is, baka di na ko kailangan imbestigahan because it is hypothetical. Kung sabihin na po natin na sa ibang ahensya, meron pong kakaiba ho doon, I fully trust the Philippine National Police. Hindi po natin para i-micromanage po ang PNP. Yun naman pong recommended po nila na budget for intelligence funds, yun naman po yung nakalagay po ngayon sa pinag-uusapan po in the Congress and in the Senate. Yung po lumabas sa NEP. So I think it is hypothetical to say na there is fraud anywhere because precisely the Secretary of Interior did not accept. Yeah. So kung ang tanong niyo po is there a need to investigate? Baka hindi po kasi hypothetical. Wala naman pong naganap. Ang siguro po, we need to focus our energy on more productive things.
Kahit si Secretary Remulla kasi nagulat kung gaano kalaki yung itinaas from NEP to GAA nung confidential funds. It's 70% increase, no? From 832 million naging 1.3 billion. Sino po ba dapat nagmo-monitor ng proper use of intelligence funds? Does NAPOLCOM closely monitor how the police spends these funds?
Theoretically, the NAPOLCOM has control and supervision over everything done in the Philippine National Police. Pero like I mentioned, I don't intend to be a micromanager. The National Police Commission will not micromanage the Philippine National Police. Ang trabaho po yan ng Chief Philippine National Police. Ang talaga rin pong nakatoka sa batas to look into confidential funds is the Commission on Audit. So all and every use of CIF po na tinatawag, confidential and intelligence funds, nililiquidate po yan ng user. Yung pong user na yon, pinapadala po yung kanilang liquidation documents only to one particular office. That is the Commission on Audit. Wala na po siyang ibang pinagpapadalahan, ni isa. So meron pong dedicated office po doon which actually just exists to audit confidential funds. So that is the function of the COA, a particular unit in the COA, and that part we don't have optics to, at hindi na ho natin pinakikialaman po yan. And I know that the PNP has been using their funds diligently. Kita naman ho natin yung mga trabaho ho nila, at sabi ko nga po, ang leadership style ho natin ay hindi ho ganyan. We need to learn to trust the Chief PNP, the Philippine National Police. Wala po tayong nakikitang hocus-pocus po dyan as of now.
But the fact that there was an attempt to insert these funds, there was something waiting to happen. Napigilan lang. So
totoo nga, Ma'am Ses, natatawa nga po ako when you were, kulang na nga ako, maging abogado kayo You were tactically interrogating Magaling nga, magaling po ang line of questioning ninyo. You were asking the correct questions to the SILG yesterday. I watched it.
Oh,
And
okay.
you're asking me the same questions now. Pero sabi ko nga po
Well, thanks to
that would
Sean
have-
because it was her idea that NAPOLCOM should have oversight.
Yes, true. True naman po. Pero sabi ko nga po, yun naman po ating control and supervision over the PNP, kailangan naman po nasa lugar din.
Hindi, kasi
Meron naman pong, go ahead.
Yung point
Meron naman
niya-
po kasing,
Go ahead, attorney.
meron po kasing talagang opisina na gumagawa po niyan eh. Yan po yung COA, CIF
Yes,
office.
but we cannot help
Yes.
but be suspicious because even COA, as proven in other instances in the DPWH, were in cahoots as well. Diba?
I understand. Maybe it is prudent to look into it. I'll have a discussion with the chief. Pero wala po tayong nakikitang problema po ngayon because it was not, wala po nangyari doon eh. Sinuli po ng SILG. Klaro-klaro po. I don't want to have any part in
Yeah,
that.
okay.
Sinuli po dyan.